Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and shoot the Glock 19. I'm going to target here. I had two targets. They're 3 feet apart. I'm going to shoot right in the middle of the board, and I have a backstop behind it. I'm going to shoot it from 50 yards just to see where I'm at 50 yards, okay? So I'm going to zoom in on it and let's see exactly where I'm hitting. As you can see, right in this area, right between these two pieces of paper is where I'm going to be aiming at. Alright, I'm 50 yards away. I don't know if you can hear me. Alright, I'm really hoping you can see right in there. I'll take you off the tripod and we'll walk up and see where I was spread out at. Okay. So we had this target from my last shoot. This is the Kel-Tec, and so this one's not it. And this is the Glock from that shoot. But I had a half mag left, so this is what in between these two targets is close to 2 feet between, and I was aiming center mass. And so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rounds, okay. 8 rounds at 50 yards, close to center mass. This one probably not so much. This is my last round. I was actually aiming up here. But these right here, at 50 yards, that's what I've got. So, I'm a believer in the Glock 19 and the distance. Glock 19, usually about 25 yards, is up, which is where this was at. I was aiming right center mass, and it was up just enough. And so at 50 yards, it was down to where I was aiming at. And since I didn't really have a target to aim at, I just really had a blank board. I was pretty much trying to hit center mass as much as I could. Pretty much blind. And so, within this here, these are probably close to being strays. But the rest of these would definitely be center mass on a body at 50 yards. So, once again, thank you for watching.